This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini for trading. Open your Gemini account and complete identity verification to begin trading. I'll walk you through funding options, order types, and basic security settings so you trade confidently. We'll cover market and limit orders, stop losses, and how to monitor positions. Stay focused and take notes so you can apply these steps on your own account as you learn. When placing trades, I'll explain order types and practical examples you can use immediately. Watch how to set a limit order to buy at a preferred price and how market orders execute instantly. I'll show how to size a position using a fixed dollar amount or percentage of your portfolio. You'll also learn to check fee estimates and slippage so you avoid surprises when your orders fill. I'll guide you through risk management tools that help protect your capital while trading on Gemini. Learn to set stop loss and take profit levels, and how position sizing keeps losses manageable. We'll use Gemini's charting tools to spot trends and export trade history for record keeping and taxes. These simple habits reduce stress and help you trade with a plan, not emotion, so your results improve over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.